Hello viewers, this is your Navonita Miss. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 3, composition and structure of atmosphere. So we all know the earth is only one planet in the universe that has life because presence of atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? It's a thin layer of air around our earth. Composition of atmosphere. Just follow the diagram. It's a mixture of gases where the major gases are nitrogen consist 78%, oxygen 20.9%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and so many other gases. Importance of atmospheric gases. First, nitrogen. Specially, it's necessary for plants and helps in the growth of living beings. Oxygen, it's very important for breathing. Carbon dioxide, it is the compulsory element for photosynthesis and it makes our world warm. Otherwise, it would be too cold for life to exist. Water vapor. Water vapor is the another element of atmosphere. Water vapor generated by evaporation and removed from the atmosphere by condensation and falls down as rain, which is important for cultivation, source of fresh water, etc. Structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere has 5 layers, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So at first we discuss about troposphere. It's the lowest layer of atmosphere and protect us from the heat of the sun during the daytime. All the weather phenomena like the clouds form, rainfall, storms occur in this layer. In troposphere, the temperature decreases with the height. The temperature drops 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter. That is called lapse rate. Stratosphere. Stratosphere lies just above the troposphere. In this layer, the temperature is constant in the lower part but the upper part it increases. The most important thing is presence of ozone gas. Maximum concentration of ozone gas at above 30 km. This zone is called ozonosphere. Just follow the diagram. Ozonosphere lies here, ozone layer. What is the importance of ozone layer? This layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet ray which causes the skin cancer. Now next point is mesosphere. This layer extends from top of the stratosphere up to near about 80 km. In this layer the temperature decreases with the height. Thermosphere. It is situated above the mesosphere. In this layer temperature also increases. The upper part of the thermosphere, it's called ionosphere. Why? This layer contains electrically charged particle which is called ions that help in the transmitting communication signals. Exosphere. This is the topmost layer of atmosphere. The temperature increases with the height. It can exceed 4000 degree Celsius. Now, what is the significance of atmosphere? It's a reservoir of CO2, O2 and N2, that is carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. It's a protective blanket of the earth and protect us from harmful radiation like ultraviolet. It helps to maintain the average temperature of the earth. Otherwise, the temperature of the earth would have been too cold, not suitable to life exist. So the chapter is completed. All of you go through the study material properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.